Welcome to our guide on the best setting sprays for flawless, long-lasting makeup. If you're tired of your makeup fading by midday or struggling with shine and smudges, a good setting spray can make all the difference. Today, we'll dive deep into the top 5 setting sprays that beauty enthusiasts swear by. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which setting spray fits your needs, whether it's for matte, dewy, or all-day wear. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Urban Decay All-Nighter. The Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray has become a cult favorite for its impressive staying power and lightweight formula. Designed to keep makeup looking freshly applied for up to 16 hours, it's a go-to for many professional makeup artists. Key features: this setting spray is formulated with patented temperature control technology, which lowers the temperature of your makeup to lock everything in place. It's oil-free, paraben-free, and works across all skin types. The fine mist evenly distributes to ensure full coverage without disturbing your makeup. Benefits and usage: the all-nighter helps to prevent smudging, fading, and settling into fine lines, making it perfect for long events, humid climates, or oily skin. To use, shake the bottle well, hold it about 8 inches from your face, and mist in an X and T motion. Usability: its weightless feel makes it comfortable to wear all day without adding any stickiness or shine. Plus, the nozzle delivers a consistent mist, ensuring you don't oversaturate your makeup. Durability: with claims of 16-hour wear, the all-nighter lives up to its reputation. It's ideal for weddings, photo shoots, or any occasion where you need your makeup to last from morning till night. In the second spot, we have NYX Matte Finish. The NYX Matte Finish setting spray is a budget-friendly option for those seeking shine control and a long-lasting matte finish. It's a favorite among drugstore beauty enthusiasts who want high-quality results without breaking the bank. Key features: this setting spray is lightweight, non-sticky, and offers a matte finish that's perfect for oily or combination skin. It's cruelty-free and comes in a travel-friendly size, making it easy to carry for touch-ups. Benefits and usage: the spray helps to minimize shine, control oil, and keep your makeup intact for hours. Use it as a final step in your makeup routine by holding the bottle at arm's length and spritzing lightly over your face. Usability: its straightforward application and quick-drying formula make it a fuss-free addition to your makeup kit. It's also versatile enough to be used over both light and heavy makeup looks. Durability: while it doesn't promise all-day wear like higher-end sprays, the NYX Matte Finish can easily last 6 to 8 hours, making it great for daily use or shorter events. Coming in at number 3 is the MAC Fix Plus. The MAC Fix Plus is a versatile product that serves as both a setting spray and a refreshing mist. Known for its hydrating properties, it's a must-have for anyone who loves a radiant, dewy finish. Key features: enriched with vitamins and minerals, this setting spray hydrates and soothes the skin while enhancing the longevity of your makeup. It's alcohol-free and infused with green tea, chamomile, and cucumber extracts. Benefits and usage: Fix Plus adds a natural glow to the skin, making it ideal for dry or dull skin types. It can also be used to intensify the pigmentation of eyeshadows. Simply spritz a little onto a brush before applying shimmer shades. Usability: its multi-purpose nature makes it a valuable addition to any makeup routine. It's perfect for setting makeup, refreshing the skin throughout the day, or as a primer before makeup application. Durability: while it's not as long-lasting as matte-specific sprays, Fix Plus excels at locking in makeup for 6 to 8 hours and providing a radiant finish that's perfect for photos and natural looks. Taking our 4th spot is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting spray is a luxury option designed to give you a poreless, airbrushed look. It promises to keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless all day long. Key features: this setting spray is infused with aloe vera, Japanese green tea, and aromatic resins to soothe and hydrate the skin. Its weightless formula ensures that your makeup stays in place without creasing or melting. Benefits and usage: the Airbrush Flawless setting spray enhances your makeup's longevity while creating a soft focus effect that blurs imperfections. Shake well before use, and mist evenly over your face from about 8 inches away. Usability, its lightweight feel and luxurious scent make it a delight to use. The formula dries quickly and works well across various skin types, from dry to oily. Durability, with claims of 16-hour wear, this setting spray stands up to the challenge, making it ideal for long days, special events, or climates where makeup tends to melt. And finally, at number 5, we have Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is celebrated for its ultrafine, continuous spray, which delivers an even, lightweight mist. It's a popular choice among makeup enthusiasts for its seamless application. Key features: this setting mist features a unique aerosol delivery system that ensures even coverage. It's lightweight, hydrating, and provides a natural finish suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: the Morphe mist locks in makeup for hours while leaving the skin looking refreshed and radiant. Hold the can 8 to 10 inches away and spray in a circular motion for best results. Usability: its innovative spray mechanism makes it incredibly easy to use, ensuring no blotches or uneven spots. The lightweight formula feels refreshing and non-sticky. Durability: the mist provides up to 8 hours of wear, making it perfect for daily makeup looks or evening outings. Its compact size also makes it travel-friendly for quick touch-ups. Choosing the right setting spray can make or break your makeup game. Whether you need all-day wear, a matte finish, or a dewy glow, these top 5 setting sprays have you covered. From the long-lasting power of Urban Decay All-Nighter to the budget-friendly NYX Matte Finish, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay flawless.